This is a sign to make that suya you've been craving, and we all know that homemade is best, right? Let me show you how you can make the best suya there is. We're going to start off by washing our chicken thighs, removing the skin and then deboning it. You can also use chicken breast if you prefer, or even beef. Let me know in the comment section which you prefer, chicken suya or beef suya. So I'm going ahead to just gently debone the chicken. So after deboning the chicken, you can save the bone to make some chicken stock. While cutting the chicken, just make sure it's about the same size so it cooks evenly. So I'm going to go ahead to debone and cut the rest of the chicken thighs into bite sizes. I'm using 1 kg of chicken here. I will leave the full ingredient list in the description box for you to check out. Okay, so I'm done cutting the chicken into bite sizes. I'm going to transfer into a bowl and add in some suya spice and some paprika, onions, garlic and black pepper. I'm going to leave the full ingredient list in the description box, and I'm also going to add in some olive oil and a little bit of salt and then mix this thoroughly together. After mixing, you're going to cover with a cling film and then you're going to allow this to marinate anywhere between 2 to 8 hours. Okay, so the chicken is done marinating. Now we're going to get at our skewers, but make sure you soak the skewers for at least 10 minutes so that it doesn't burn when it's in the oven. So we're going to gently place the chicken on the skewers just as shown in the video. And at this point, you want to set your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit so that it's preheating, so that at the point when we are done with putting the suya on the skewers, your oven would have preheated. So we're done with putting the chicken on the skewers. We're going to bake this for 20 minutes, take it out, then flip it and bake for 10 minutes. So after the last 10 minutes, we're going to take the suya out. Then we're going to pour some suya spice onto a plate and then roll each suya stick in the suya spice. So if you've watched up until this point, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe if you want to see more delicious recipes. Thank you. So after rolling the suya sticks in the suya spice, we're going to bake for another 5 to 10 minutes depending on how crispy you want the suya to be, and that's it, our suya is ready. So you see how easy it is to make suya from the comfort of your home. You're going to go ahead to garnish this however you like. I like garnishing with some cabbage and some cucumbers. You can also garnish with some tomatoes and onions. So at this point, I'm just sprinkling some more suya spice over the suya for more of that suya flavor. And that's it, guys. Until I come your way again with another wonderful recipe. Enjoy your suya. Bye.